I'm getting ready to start painting, and today I'm going to paint eggs. As you probably know, I've done 2 paintings with eggs. The difference today is that I'll try to work a bit more loosely and faster to get more than just 1 painting, and I'm not going to work on canvas. I'll probably use paper or canvas board and just try to put down a bunch of ideas. I don't know why I'm painting eggs. Usually there's some kind of ulterior meaning. Right now I'm not questioning it, I'm just gonna paint eggs. Today was a really good session. I'm very satisfied with the results. At first, I was struggling with the materials. For some reason, the paint was not doing what I wanted it to do, especially in textures that I wanted to get. I don't know why, I guess sometimes it happens, you know? But after that, I kind of got into a nice rhythm and I moved on a little bit more to charcoal, which I was attracted to, and I don't know, it kind of worked. There's a couple that I really like. I like the 2 eggs on top of each other, especially the texture of the top one that I was able to get. I also like the multiple eggs that I have in some kind of like a dark nest. I thought that was interesting. I still find myself struggling or hesitating with composition. When there's one central element, I kind of can manage well with coming up with something that I'm pleased with, but when there's multiple elements, that's where I'm hesitating. So I still have to work on that and practice and experiment and try a bunch of things, and I will get the hang of it. I'm also including 2 pieces that I did a couple days ago. I didn't do them on camera right now just because I was using a special medium. It's a cracking medium. I think it's called Crackle or something, and it's kind of like a goop that you put on top of your painting once it's dried, and it takes 24 hours for that goop to dry and take effect and do all like those little crackling cells. It's really interesting, especially for that egg theme that I was going for today. I really like that texture, so I'm gonna experiment a lot more with that for sure. Again, the egg, what's the meaning? I have no idea. I'm sure there's like a hidden meaning somewhere in my psyche. I'll probably figure it out at some point, but for now, I'm enjoying my little eggs. I hope you like it as well, and I'll see you tomorrow.